Does God motivate you? Do you go to church because you want to go to heaven or you're afraid to go to hell? Stop lying to yourself and not saying that you're not motivated, okay? You're absolutely motivated. And that's why we get burned out sometimes in our business, guys. Because we're not inspired, okay? And we're just motivated. So that's why it's so important to operate more off inspiration than it is motivation. And the more you understand yourself, what intrinsically drives you, what inspires you, what motivates you, and the more you understand more of who you are as a being, it helps you understand your clients at a deeper level. And the reason why we're drawn to the people that we're drawn to is because we empathize with them. It's like we understand them and know them. Understanding yourself and knowing yourself, what drives you, what pushes you, what motivates you at a very deep subconscious level is everything.